The Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk up for severe storms today across 7 states, including Illinois, Indiana, and Iowa. This is your Atmos Storm Extended Briefing, a closer look at yesterday's storms, today's severe weather threats, and what's shaping up for tomorrow. 3 tornadoes reported, 33 hail reports, with stones up to 2.75 inches, 489 wind reports, with gusts up to 90 miles per hour, and 30 reports of flooding. The hardest hit areas were across 25 states, including Arizona, Colorado, and Delaware. Now, turning to today's outlook. Numerous severe storms are likely today, some intense. Damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes are all possible. Stay weather aware. The top threat level from the Storm Prediction Center is enhanced risk. For damaging winds, 30% across 22 states, including Delaware, Illinois, and Indiana. Damaging winds likely, some 65+ miles per hour. For hail, 15% across 8 states, including Illinois, Iowa, and Minnesota. Scattered large hail possible. For tornadoes, 2% across 8 states, including Illinois, Indiana, and Iowa. An isolated tornado or two possible. Dangerous heat grips much of the country today, with extreme heat warnings across 17 areas, including Arkansas, Colorado, and Florida. Limit time outdoors, stay hydrated, and check on elderly neighbors and anyone without air conditioning. And looking ahead to tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center already has a slight risk across 8 states, including Colorado, Illinois, and Indiana. We'll have the full picture in tomorrow's briefing. That's your extended briefing. Stay weather aware today. Get live radar and alerts anytime at atmosstorm.com, and we'll see you tomorrow.